This is the second video in which I'm posting the slide matter of the second chapter Hindi subject of 10th class from NCERT books. I hope you guys are going to appreciate it because basically it becomes way more difficult for me. First of all, it's not just taking my typing matter. I have to literally take the screenshot and edit the screenshot and then post it, but writing it in Hindi makes it more difficult. So I hope you guys are able to get the matter of what I'm trying to convey to you people. Now comes the bonus part. This section is only purely meant for the ones who find Hindi difficult, and for them Hindi gives a tough time to them. So what I am trying to tell you, or I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to pay attention. Like for say one vakya mein, ek vakya mein uttar dijiye means one line, you have to write one line, right? So in this it is very easy for you to score the marks. Why? Because half of the answer is given in the question itself. Like see, लेखक चीज़ें खरीदने कहाँ गए थे? लेखक चीज़ें खरीदने चौक के बाजार में गए थे. You see, half of the answer is in the question itself. Like लेखक जी क्यों लालचा उठा? तो लेखक का जी रंगदार सेब देखकर ललचा उठा. Half from here, then this, then half from here. You see, and then fourth. Let's see the fourth question. What the fourth question is saying? टोमेटो किसका आवश्यक अंग बन गया है? टोमेटो भोजन का आवश्यक अंग बन गया है. Always find difficulty in 2 to 3 line question and answers, then I will only suggest you this thing, that you should know the matras very well and practice them. Like Aki matra, this is Aki matra, right? So find the words with Aki matra and write those words and try to find the Aki matra words in this. In the same way, choti ki matra, badi ki matra. When you understand at that time, you will automatically remember, and it will be much easier for you to write down when you know what you're reading. Right now, coming to over here, Vilom Shab. Okay, now in this also I'm going to give you another trick for me. This one is key. The trick is only one word will be here and there placed. See over here, shikshit, you just have to write ashikshit, in front of it. Avashyak, anavashyak. So you just placed na, and your Aki matra is being replaced from this side to this side. See, संदेह, सो निसंदेह है ना. ओनली नी विद संस्कृत की मात्रा है, ये हमारी अह की मात्रा ये आ जाती है. ठीक है. अब विश्वास, विश्वास है अविश्वास, ओनली अ यू आर पुटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ विश्वास. सहयोग्य, असहयोग्य, ओनली अ यू आर पुटिंग. सो इन द बिगर वर्ड्स ऑलवेज रिमेंबर देयर इज ओनली वन वर्ड टू बी प्लेस्ड with any matra here and there. So if you remember that one, then it will be so easy for you to score. अब आ जाते हैं भाई इधर पे. तो अब यहाँ पे अन्य वचन लिखिए. अन्य वचन मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल अबाउट इट. ओके, सो अगर अध्यापक गण, मतलब कुछ भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में अगर वो लोग एम्प्लॉयज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो यू हैव टू राइट वर्ग और गण. सो कर्मचारी गण यू कैन नॉट राइट, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एम्प्लॉयज़ कैटेगरी, राइट. सॉरी, टीचर्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फुल कैटेगरी ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज़. सो इसी वजह से हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि हम लोग कैटेगरी की बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर राइटिंग वर्ग. व्यापारी वर्ग, राइट, वी विल राइट व्यापारी वर्ग. ना ओवर हियर आई हैव गिवन यू कि यहाँ पे I have given you dawat, right, and talwar. Instead of that one, you can write dawat and tulna. And I have given you over rank and bhajan. Instead of that, you can write rangdar and bhojan, right? And like that, I have given you some different words over here. Instead of those words, you can write these words also. So I hope you guys like my tips and tricks. Do remember this tips and tricks, and I'll be bringing the third chapter also very soon. I'll be posting, and I'm going to give some tips and tricks in that one too. So stay tuned, and do like and share and subscribe my videos. This is me, Alice Raj, and I'm signing off.